Hi there, this is Chandra from Definitive Brands Group, and today we're going to be looking at our SuperPure TapPure Tap Mounted Filter. This is our premium top of the line tap mounted filter. It contains an ultra filter and also GAC, KDF and a couple of other stages. You can look at our website or one of the listings for the complete information on this unit. It's very simple to install. You'll see it comes with a range of different fittings. There's 10 in total. Depending on the type of tap you have, these fittings should assist you in making sure that it fits 100%. So to start out with, you're going to be removing the aerator from your tap. It's very simple. It's just this bit at the end. You just screw loose. We put that one side, and then once you have the filter, you line up the tap and the filtration unit itself and just tighten it. It's important to ensure that it does not cross thread, so you just want to make sure that the threads and the filter are lined up correctly. And once it's turned on tight, it should be quite stable on the filter. To use is very simple. There's two different settings which you can see on the side. There's a filter setting and a normal tap setting. So in this mode over here, this will just be your unfiltered water. If you turn on your tap, you should just find that there is normal unfiltered tap water coming through. And when you turn this 90 degrees, then you'll find that you get the filtered water from the unit. So because this is an ultra filter, it does take a couple of liters to make sure that it's flushed through. There's a preservative inside the filter for storage and for transport that needs to be flushed out. So once you have the filter, you turn it on to filtration mode, turn on your cold water tap and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you'll see the water would turn first black and then white, like a milky color. That's completely normal. Once that phase has passed, then the filter has been flushed and it's ready to use. The filter itself has got an internal cartridge. I'm going to show you how to exchange the cartridge. The cartridge usually lasts 3 to 6 months. Very simply, you can just remove the unit from the tap. Other way. You then screw this end off. So the filter unit has an internal filter cartridge. Once you've screwed the filter end loose from the rest of the filter body, you'll see that the cartridge is inside. It's got a little loop here. You can either see if you can pull it very tightly, or you can use a screwdriver or the handle of a fork or a spoon and just give you a little bit of leverage to pop it out. Once you've got it out, you'll see this is the cartridge itself, and you can very easily swap that out with a new unit. The cartridges are available directly from us or from one of our resellers. When you do have a new cartridge filter, you just place it back inside the filter body and screw it back on. And then you just want to reattach it to your tap. There we go. And then you would just once again flush the filter out for about 5 to 10 minutes before your filter is ready to use.